So now that I've showed you how to set up your manicuring table, let's get started on how to actually start your manicure and what you'll need for that. So the first thing you're going to need to start your manicure on your client is obviously, like I said, your little paper towel and your polishes. So I am using a bunch of products today. My first one is obviously a base coat. You'll need a base coat. I'm using OPI, but you can use whichever product you love. OPI base coat, your manicuring coloured polishes. So generally that is a white for the French, for the tip, and a beigey sort of pinkish tone for your top layer. And then obviously a top coat. Now I like to use a rapid dry top coat just because who wants to wait around and wait for their nails to dry? Not me, don't have time for that. So I use a rapid dry top coat. And then I like to sort of use a express dry little liquid on top. So this goes on top to really help those nails dry as soon as possible. Now, obviously, like I mentioned previously, you'll need your little file, which you then give to your client. You will also need your little cuticle stick, your nail buffer, your little manicuring dish, which we will obviously pop. When you are doing with your client, you will pop a little bit of the cuticle product inside the water, just like so. Use your little cuticle stick to give it a little mix up just before your client puts their hands in there. And that's pretty much all you will be needing. But before you get started, just make sure, like I said, to sterilize their hands. That's a little bit of an important step. I probably should have said that at the very start. But before you get started, just make sure you use either a little alcohol sanitizing gel or even a little bit of your alcohol spray on both your hands and the client's hands.